There was an unexpected love. Yan. Love na naman. To be honest, this person that we're gonna talk about is still have a place on my heart. Kumbaga may soft spot pa rin talaga ako para sa kanya. May kiliti pa rin ako para sa kanya. And I really don't know why, pero okay lang yun. To be honest, behind all of those sudden loss, isa to sa sudden loss ko. Yung unexpected love na dumating sa journey ko through success. Isa to sa sudden loss ko. To be honest, it was so hurtful. Talaga sobrang sakit. Pero sabi nga nila, di ba? Take the risk or lose the chance. Kung may panalo mo or matalo ka sa isang taong pinaglalaban mo, okay lang. Kasi naging totoo ka sa nararamdaman mo. Even though I'm talking to someone right now, yun nga, ulitin ko lang, she still have a place in my heart. May soft spot pa rin talaga ako para sa kanya. And to be honest, Bella plays a huge part sa journey ko through success. Kasi, since day one, kasi kasama siya sa Masters. Siya yung ambassadress namin. So, sa Masters kasi, 3 lang talaga yung pumasok. Isang senator, and then yung ambassador and ambassadress namin. Si Bella, then si Aldrin, then si Mami Menchi. Si Aldrin wala na, so natitira na lang talaga si Bella and si Mami Menchi na nakapasok galing sa Masters Partless. And to be honest, Bella plays a huge part dun sa laban ko through success. Why? Bakit? Ano yun? Since day one, she motivates me to do all of my best. Kumbaga, siya talaga nag-motivate sa akin na gawin yung best ko sa lahat ng bagay na pinapasok ko or pinaglalaban ko. Every time na I'm losing hope to something that I'm fighting for, andyan siya na papalakasin yung loob ko na kaya mo yan, ikaw pa ba? Wala namang mahirap sa'yo eh. Lahat nagagawa mo ng paraan eh, di ba? Ganun palagi yung sinasabi niya sa akin, and to be honest, because of those words, because of those motivation, and because of those pushing through sa akin, ni Bella, is nakarating ako sa puntong I'm finally okay. Nakalaya na sa fears, traumas, and depression na nilaban ko for almost 4 years. Actually, not almost. 4 years talaga. And then may months pa yun, hindi ko na nabilang kasi don't look back, sabi nga nila. And to be honest, all I just want to say is thank you, Bella, for all of those things that you did for me. For making me happy for just a short time, pero okay. Okay lang kasi parang, kasi nagpakatotoo naman kami parehas sa nararamdaman namin sa isa't isa. Hindi namin pineke or pinaglaruan yung isa't isa. To be honest, ang daming nabuong memories. Bella and I made a lot of memories na parang nakatatak talaga sa akin. Kasi, sa dami-dami ko nakilala, sa dami-dami ko nakausap, she's one of my unforgettable. Siya lang talaga yung naging unforgettable one ko na sobrang hirap umusad. Alam niyo yun? Like, I really don't know why, pero sabi nga nila may dadating talagang tao sa buhay mo na mahirapan ka talagang makausap. Even though I'm talking to Gia right now, hindi pa rin talaga ako nakakausap kay Bella, and Gia knows that. Kaya sabi ni Gia sa akin, if you're not okay, if hindi ka pa rin okay sa past, it's okay. Like, we're both still young, di ba? We're just talking. Then, if we both decided to date, we both decided to enter a relationship, then, okay lang kahit na that girl is your unforgettable one. Sabi ko, bakit? She plays a huge part in your life. She made you a man. She made you what you are today. So, kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi kita makikilala. Yun yung sabi niya sa akin. So, sabi ko, so thankful ka sa kanya na that thing happened. Kasi, kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi mo ako makikilala. Sabi niya, oh. Kasi to be honest, swerte na magiging partner mo, Ben. You're a good man. matured, responsible, and strong. Like, I don't have to worry kung pabastos man ako dyan kasi you said na hindi ka papayag na mabastos ako kahit saan sa tuwing kasama kita kasi kaya mong pumalag. Sabi ko ganun. Sabi ko, ganun. Pero yun nga, back to the topic, behind all of those sudden loss, behind those opening doors, there was an unexpected love. And to be honest, this unexpected love is one of my sudden loss Last February lang we stopped talking to each other and now, minsan na lang kami nag-chat. Minsan na lang kami magkausap. To be honest, I really miss talking to her, but I'm talking to someone, so alam niyo naman yung ugali ko? When I'm entertaining someone, I don't entertain anyone. Kasi sparks pumasok sa 5, nasungkit ang funnel ng aqua. Pero yun nga, behind all of those sudden loss, behind those opening doors, behind those unexpected love, there are still some lessons and